Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I'm really excited about this video because the reality right now is that many of us are working from home, and I want to share with you my tips on how to make sure that you're productive, that you have joy, and that you really have a stress-free workday while working from home. I would like to thank my sponsors of this video, HP, because for years, HP has been my personal assistant working with me in my home, and I would love to share with you how they can help you also in your space. So let's get started. Okay friends, my first tip is to create the perfect work environment. You need to find that location where you're going to start your workday each day. This may be on the corner of your sofa or at the kitchen table. You may have your own personal office, but create that sacred environment for your workday. And that way you can create a space that's very welcoming to you in the morning, one that can create that routine for you. And also it can be a space that helps you have a bit of separation from home and work life. Now, tip number 2 is you're going to create a secondary office, and this is a home mobile office. This is a simple bag that you have that you use as your mobile office so that you're not always in that one designated workspace in your home. So that maybe in the middle of the day you can go work on the back patio when the weather's nice, or you may choose to go and sit in the parking lot of Starbucks and have a latte. It's just that mobile office that you can use within your home to move around in different environments, but it contains all the things you need to function. My mobile office here has my work binder. I'll throw my work binder in there, my laptop, keep my water. Again, if you're going on the back patio, it's perfect for that. But just a simple bag that can, go with you on the go, whether you're in the house or out of the house. Okay friends, the next tip is to get your productivity partners in place. I have 2 productivity partners that I use every day, all day, and that's my planner. You all know how I feel about my planner. She keeps me on track. She lets me know when I have my appointments, what I have going on. And then my second productivity partner is my HP OfficeJet Pro 8035. I love this printer. It is what helps me connect with my team. It cuts down on me having to do a lot of running back and forth, because what happens is my team is able to send things directly to my printer that I need to review, and all I have to do is go to the printer and print it off. I'm able to send things from my phone straight to my printer, and I use it all of the time. I love the simplicity of it. I love that the color is so rich in the printing. And one of the things that I must admit that is one of my favorite features is that it is a self-healing Wi-Fi. So it's basically like having my own personal tech person here in my house, because what it does is it automatically detects and resolves connectivity issues. And that is big for me because I'm not the most tech savvy person. So I love that it kind of figures things out on its own. And if you are in the market for a very efficient printer, this is the one, guys. This is really the one. I have been through some printers, and I tell you, this has been my favorite, truly, of everything I've had in the past. So the great thing is you can create customizable shortcuts to print, scan, share, or email, all with one tap. And friends, you can quickly assess and print documents and images on your smartphone from cloud services like Dropbox and Google Drive. And friends, another thing, it is the worst feeling to be running out of ink, have a project, not having a replacement cartridge, having to go to the store, or having to order it offline, and just that wait time. But the great thing about this printer and HP is that they have 8 months worth of ink included. I love that. Of course, my printer tells me when I'm needing to get that cartridge replaced, and then I don't have to worry about it because they have this instant ink program that works great. Okay, so my next tip, friends, is no matter how tough of a day you may have had, never leave your work day without prepping your work area for the next day. And this is so important because this is what's going to give you that great start to your day. And so what I like to do with my desk is I like to strategically kind of create an environment so that when I come in the morning, I'm able to sit down and do A, B, C, and so on. So the first thing that, of course, I like is to have my cuppa, whether it's my cup of tea or cup of coffee. So I kind of have that setting ready for me. The next thing is to have something fun, whether if I bought something new or I needed to open it up, I just sit it in front of me on the desk. And then I take a few moments in the day to kind of play with it, open it up, take it out the package. You know, a lot of times we buy things and we sit it to the side and we never enjoy the process of just kind of opening it, checking it out, putting it away. So I find that that's something fun to do in the morning. If I don't have anything new, I will maybe read something a magazine that I got or something that I hadn't had a chance to look at, but just kind of implementing something that you've been wanting to look at that you hadn't had a chance to look at. The other thing is to have some type of self-care kind of caddy around, or have a little drawer with some self-care items in it, whether you have some aromatherapy, you have your lotion, basically whatever can really just have that little mini spa treatment in the morning. And if you're like me, and I'm not necessarily a morning person, this type of thing is really important for giving me a great start to my day. And then my vitamins. You know, I put my vitamins in a little makeup bag on my desk so that I remember to take them. So those things that you want to remember, you kind of sit them on your desk and put them in a beautiful way. You don't have to have the medicine bottle sitting on your desk, which is not the most appealing look. Put them in a pretty bag, and that just kind of helps encourage you to take them. And then the next thing I like to do is I like to set up on the corner of my desk kind of my go station. And what that is sometimes during lunch, but in between sessions, I don't have a lot of time, but sometimes I need to run to the post office or run here. And so what I do is I keep my keys and my wallet and those essentials that I need to grab and go right there on the corner of the desk. Any mail that I need to take or anything that I need to take right there on the corner of the desk, so that during that time I'm not having to look for things. I can just grab, go, and then get back in a timely manner. So basically, friends, whatever will bring joy to you at the start of your workday, that's what you want to incorporate. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed my tips that I shared with you today. I hope they can bring joy to your workday, whether again you're at your kitchen table, on your sofa, or in your own personal home office. I will definitely put the link to HP below. Definitely don't sleep on this printer. The OfficeJet Pro 8035 is an amazing printer when you're working from home. I absolutely love it. And friends, this is a huge bonus also. With the OfficeJet Pro 8035, it includes 8 months of ink delivered to your door. How it works is when you get your printer, you use the code that's in the box to redeem the 8 months worth of ink, and your ink is delivered through Instant Ink, HP's ink delivery service. That is a huge bonus. Have a beautiful rest of your day. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.